What's up, guys? All Pro Exterior Services here again. Got another beautiful home to wash. Been doing the front, two sides, driveway, walkway. Just gonna move some of this stuff here. Gonna do a little pre-treat with a downstream, post-treat with a downstream. Get all these gutters, facials, and brick. Again, brick. We got a lot of brick, so got Tony getting property protection about to start, and I'm gonna undo the reels and get everything rolling. So yeah, man, business is good. It's a beautiful day. It's a little overcast, but it's not too cold. 54, so not bad. All right, we'll get some footage here in a minute. And we're gonna be doing, wait a minute, we're gonna be doing straight bleach downstream. We got a mix of about 1.5 for soft wash if we want to hit the stucco. Gonna hit everything, and I'm gonna hook up all the hosing. All right, peace. On it. Just doing a little wet on these bricks. It's been so dry here, so we're trying to, you know, make sure we hit this vegetation a little bit. So just a little bit. We only downstream at 1%. So by the time we get it on our surface, not a big deal. So just want to make sure we take care of our customers. And I've been talking about, I've been doing some thinking on the business side. Now, going to be doing what we call building a book of business with customers, and like normally, like if I came out and did this house for 500, I would say, look, you get on an annual plan, I'll come out for 4.25 or something, give them a discount. That way it's on the books, and you got stuff on the books. I mean, you do it every year, it's not bad. So anyway, we'll talk more about that when I get some details, and I'll share my thoughts with you guys on it. All right, let me get this rolling and catch up with you. Peace. All right, guys, got Anthony on the surface cleaner. Washed the house and everything. Did our pre-treat. Coming out nice. We're gonna do a post-treat. You can see a few little lines there, but that post-treat will take care of that. Also, just something personal. Look, man, it's something I take on the job with me. Some protein bars, because we really don't get a lunch break, man. You're out there grinding, making that cheese. You gotta keep. We got that, and then we got some Powerade here. So, we buy it in bulk from the Sam's Wholesale. So, anyway, that's something that we do, and it helps get us through the job and keep our energy up. But yeah, the house came out nice, as you can tell. Beautiful. Customer's very happy so far, so we're going to do this. We got the rest of that to do. Shouldn't take us too long, and then we'll be out of here. All right, I'll catch up with you. Peace. Right, YouTube, we're done for the day. Wrapped it up, got the trailer all parked, put a cover. Getting some rain now, finally. Put a little cover over the pressure washer anyway. Just want to touch base with you guys. Had a good weekend, positive. Had a few jobs lined up, worked out well. Trailer worked out well. Just the FYI, don't forget to take before and after pics, man. If you got Facebook, Google, I've been using that Google My Business, and got up to 20 reviews on the positive, so that's all good. So that's working. So, and remember, always respond to a review. And when you respond to a review, hit a keyword like soft washing, pressure washing, roof cleaning, gutter cleaning, driveway cleaning. You got to respond with those in the response to the review, because it's all SEO, that SEO stuff. So, but yeah, we had a good day, blew it out. Today was a lot easier than yesterday, and got more jobs lined up. It just keeps coming, and referrals and everything. It's just all good. So yeah, hit me up if I can help with anything. But keep the grind going, man. Don't stop. Get it out there and then just make it happen. Work with what you got. You don't need the biggest machines or nothing. You get there. You gotta crawl before you can walk. Go make that cheese. All right, peace.